In the fast-paced world of trucking, timely payments are crucial for keeping your wheels moving and your business thriving. At Baker Group, the nation's top debt collection agency, we understand the unique challenges trucking companies face when it comes to collecting what's owed to them. Whether it's unpaid freight bills, overdue invoices for repairs and maintenance, or uncollected payments for fuel advances, our expert team at Baker Group is here to help. We specialize in recovering debts across all areas where trucking companies encounter payment issues. Our comprehensive debt collection services ensure that you're not left out of pocket for services rendered. From freight charges and accessorial fees to detention and layover charges, we handle it all with professionalism and persistence. With our tailored approach and deep industry knowledge, we successfully recover outstanding debts, allowing you to focus on what you do best, keeping your trucks on the road and your business on track. Trust Baker Group to be your partner in debt recovery. Visit us at gobakergroup.com to learn more about how we can help your trucking company collect the money it's owed. Baker Group, your trusted partner in debt collection.